Here we go. We'll cut timber on a contract, beats the hell out of day rate. It sure did keep the wolves away, but it gave him the father's gate. Well, behold the woodman's woodshed, it's a sight to be seen. He's got kindling nighttime burn, 2 cords of the green. Well, people often ask him why he chose this game. Something about that power saw and the sap running through my veins. Oh yeah, just the smell of the 2-stroke, baby. Yeah, yeah, all the way through my veins. All right, friends, here is the P51 that Mr. Mike Shetley brought me, or sent me. I had an old carcass sitting here, this guy. I was able to... Okay, you guys going? Yeah. Okay, see you, Luke. See you, Rita. I like your toque. Can I see your jacket and your shoes, please?
Making fun of my outfit.
People are very interested in your sneakers. Look at Rita's outfit. Yahoo! Look at you, baby.
Bye.
Love you guys.
Love you too.
Oh gosh, kids these days. So here's the old carcass that I don't even know. I don't know if they'll... Your starter. That was your starter. Hi, Luke.
Hey.
That was your starter. Does it do that often?
Every once in a while.
So, did you hold it on too long?
No.
Do you know what, friends? This car, like, this is a Santa Fe. Look at Rita's Tukin. Luke and Tukin. Look at these kids. I'll tell you something right now, though. I'm not joking, you friends. I love this car. Did we pick? I know the rims are actually nice. You know what happened up here? Did you ding something, or is that from that?
Deer. I hit a deer.
Right. That's from that?
And remember it came with that thing zap strap on.
Yeah.
I think it was already dinged.
You got
I've
the.
scraped a couple of rocks.
You got. Yeah, sure you have, Rita. But
Not many.
listen, Hyundai. You know, friends, Hyundai used to be whatever, right? It's a Hyundai, right? They make really good cars. I remember when they started making really good cars, because they had to keep up with Toyota, Honda, and the rest of it. This thing's nice. It's fast. It's super fast, isn't it?
Yeah.
Even the young Lukester, Lucky Luke, says it's fast.
Yeah, I love driving this thing.
So do I, dude. It is really fast. It's got pickup. So it's a 3.8 or something, isn't it, Bum? Pop the hood real quick. So, friends, I'm not joking you. I'm a total... So what was that? Okay, well, that might be your... Okay.
Sorry, I'm swearing on the channel.
No, I didn't hear none of that. It's a V6 3.3. Okay, it's a 3.3 liter, but it is a ripper, friends.
Hey, so why is it making that funky noise?
Well, that's either your starter or your parking stud that goes in. You just got to make sure that you just go easy here. What's this? Okay, good. Film this, please.
Sure, sir.
I'm checking your engine oil, Rita, but you can't really check it when you just shut it down, because I think you might be low, Bum, to be honest. When's the last time you checked your oil?
I don't know, last time I went and got it. Hey,
Yeah, when was your oil check?
When we did it, like
yeah.
a month and a half ago.
Oh, okay. Okay, well, let's see. Usually it needs to drain down a little bit, so this won't really give us a... But it does look a little bit low here.
Yeah.
So you see that, Bum? Can you see that on the film there?
Yeah.
So right there, so but it will fill back up a little bit because you just shut it off, so it's draining down, but that's low.
Yeah, we'll check it after it sets.
Yeah, so but it looks like you're down a liter. Okay, so you're gonna throw a liter in this thing. That's what it looks like to me. So now that you know that, because you changed it, Luke, a while ago, and filled it right back up to everything?
Yeah.
Okay, so then now that you know that, it's been a month, you're burning a quart of oil every month, which isn't terrible. It's not good neither, but it does have a few miles on it.
Yeah, because when I filled it, it was like on the higher end.
Yeah, so let it, but remember, we're not level neither. We're on an angle. So, oh, okay. What?
I don't know.
Okay. So that noise. Okay.
Should I start it up?
Yeah, fire it up. Just your truck should it should be electric, so just one turn. I don't believe you should have to hold the starter on.
I don't.
No, just tick, boom.
Oh, don't do that.
Make sure you're in park or it won't start anyway. Boom. That's it. Just tick, boom.
Boom.
Yeah, don't hold up.
Boom.
That's right. Boom. What was that?
Boom.
Oh, tick, bomb.
Oh, tick, boom.
Okay, so the park thing, yeah, good.
She's fine.
Goodbye.
Good. Bye.
Carry on this way here. Carry on, please. Carry on this way. All right. So, kids, eh? What a cutie. She's a good spirit, that kid. She is a super good spirit. And the boy, these kids of mine, I don't know how I got so lucky. Honestly, friends, they're good kids, both of them. Super polite to people, look in the eye, talk to you, introduce themselves. Just credit to their mom. Okay, we're going to try this sucker. Here it is. It's all ready. It's hot rodded up. I'm telling you, a muffler, a proper muffler, does a major thing. This is just funky. This isn't designed for this particular saw. I need to get a different design for this. Ironhorse knows the design for this. It comes out down and shoots down. Because if I go falling with this thing, which I don't, it's more of a bucket. I turn that like that, I'm getting it right in the face. Let's go down and run this. All right, friends. P51 stock, bone stock with a muffler mod, semi-skip chain with a grind with a brand new Tillotson carb. I'm excited. Okay. The reason I shut that down so quick is I wanna check the plug, friends. Okay, that is a nice saw to run. Did you? I mean, it just is. Just that carburetor's better. Yeah. What a great sound. And again, semi-skip chain, not my gig. I like my full house, okay? I love this saw. I love it. Exhaust is huge for me. It just, saw's got to breathe. If I put the stock muffler back on this and try this saw, you'd probably notice a difference. I know you would. Let's quickly look at the plug. Shall we? It's probably, I mean, I may not even have the right plug in it. Because I don't even know. I don't know. Is there a plug in this one? No, there's not. Take a look. It could be the wrong plug. I don't know. Feels a little hot. It's still quite white still. Yeah, it just seems to be not white, but kind of gray. But that could be from the muffler. Yeah. Yeah, it's still quite gray. But it's screaming in the wood. Harvey, tell me what you think of this. Harv. Let me know what you think of this, Harvey. Like it, you know what I mean? Look at that. I mean, it's not white, but it's burning good. It's burning clean. Look at that sucker. Hey? So, what do you think of that, Harv? I mean, it's running beautifully. I know that when you put open mufflers on, it does change plugs. It does. But that's interesting. So this doesn't feel too hot. That Germany R10 545 Bosch. So I don't know. And what else is cool is this. I think what I might do, friends, is I know I've got a bit of a the fuel line might be a little. What are these originally? I might have a bit of a thin fuel line on this thing. Hard to say. Okay, pretty cool, friends. Thanks. I'm gonna give one a try. They're not as light as the still bars, but they are a little heavier duty, and I'm kind of excited about that. We got I was up at Walker's there. Friends, we got a situation here. How y'all doing? Hey, doing pretty good? Good. Everybody likes getting a box, including me. You know who this is from? It's from Harvey Drake, the Ironhorse. Oh yeah. But I can't run it because I got, oh dear. Oh my. Oh wow. Okay. Apparently we got a problem on our hands with this thing. We got to put it back together. There's my old 371K. Look at that. Oh yeah, Harv. Look at that, eh? I gotta go get some gas, man. Some 94 octane or some airplane fuel or something. Here's our parts bag. There's our handbrake. Side cover. That. Do I even got nuts and bolts in here? What have I got here? Oh, it looks like I do. Oh, I do. Billy Ray. You got your stuff together. Huh? Pretty good. All right. Okay. Friends, I won't put this together right now, but my 371 is back, and I'm excited. And fall is in the air. It's actually cold, hence the long sleeves. But fret not. Fret not. They're not too far away, okay? Just letting you know. As soon as we get working, short sleeves all the way. So I don't want you to get concerned, okay? All right. Okay, now, friends, that P saw, that P51, I love Pioneers. I love them. I'm really surprised at, for starters, how easy they are to work on. But anyways, I got to get this together, so I'm freaking so excited. And I also got to go to, I like Harvey's boxes. I got to go get some gas, some good gas. So I want to thank you guys for watching. Yeah, just another day cruising with Buckin, doing saw stuff, playing around. Friends, I went online today to a company called, it's a Canadian company called King. And they didn't have one available. A 3x79 grinder, a big grinder for the axes, right? Over at the axe shop there. 240 or 220 phase power. Busy Bee is another tool company. They've actually got one in New Westminster, which is in Vancouver, which is not that far from me. It is a boat ride in that, but anyways, there is one there. So, but we're close. We're setting up. We're going to be setting up and spending some time over in this shop. Winter's coming. The forge is finished. All the tooling is done, friends. It's ready. The stuff is ready to press. So we're going to be transitioning this winter a little bit over into that shop and some new scenery, setting up that shop. I'm kind of excited, to be honest. Okay, friends. I'm going to go get my tools and get working on this old saw. Thanks for watching. I want to show you guys something before I go. I just pulled this saw out of the shop. It slept in the bunker last night. That Pioneer, it slept in the bunker. So I want to just try something. Cold start, okay? Cold start. That saw oils Like, it gets so much bar oil. It is, I'm so excited about this saw, friends. I'm not kidding you. It's cutting like crazy right now. It's not hungry. Like, it's got a grind on it, but it's that full semi skip. Friends, Mr. Shetley, thank you. Friends, over and out. See you on the next video. Be kind to one another. Help people out. Let's do it. Let's not talk about it and know about it and go, yeah, I know I should do that. Let's do it. Let's do it. Let's change the narrative out there. Let's do it. Be kind. Over and out.